Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to create a Discord all-in-one bot without writing a single line of code using Replit. Firstly, make a Discord bot application and edit it according to your choice. Go to Bot tab and enable all the three intents as I am doing it, or the bot will not respond to your messages. Go to OAuth tab and then URL generator and select the scopes as I do, and then copy the link and invite it to your server. Again, go to Bot tab and reset and copy the bot token and go to the replace. Here you have to fork the replace in your Replit account and wait for it to load and get ready. Go to shell and type npm install so that the npm can install the required packages for the source code to run. This may take a while. Open new tab and go to secrets. There add a secret called token all in capital letters and paste your token there. Go to main.json and fill all the details. In client name, put the username of the bot. For client ID, go to OAuth tab, then general, you will find it there. For testing server ID, go to Discord, then user settings, then advanced, and enable developer mode. After enabling, right-click on your server and select copy server ID and paste it in config. Copy your Discord user ID and paste it in place of developer ID. Run the project now and wait for the bot to come online. If any errors comes, recheck the config or join our Discord server for help.